What's up YouTube? Hobo Nickel Barbecue back with you again, and today we are making the Nut Burger. So the Nut Burger is a regional classic burger from Butte, Montana. There's a place there called Matt's Place, and I found the recipe. It's really simple. Make your classic smash burger, put some Miracle Whip and some peanuts. I'll throw that all together. Well, we're going to do it today on a 17-inch Blackstone griddle. It's going to be awesome. I've made these twice before, and it sounds weird, but it's really good. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I talked about having the Miracle Whip and the peanuts. So, just get you, as long as the ratio's 2 peanuts to 1, whatever it is you're using with the Miracle Whip, that'll work. I'm just using these small, I use them as sauce containers when I take stuff over to my neighbors. So take your peanuts and put them in a bag, smash them. If you end up with peanut dust, you did it wrong. You still want chunks of peanut, just not full peanuts. So what we're going to do is we're going to get us a little bowl, pour the peanuts in, get our Miracle Whip out of the container and into our mixing vessel, and then just kind of work it all together. Alright, after I get this all mixed together, we'll hit the burger. We're ready to cook the burger. What we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of oil, put it down on the griddle, get that spread out. Then we're going to take this burger patty, set it on there, put our paper on, then we're going to smash it. Alright guys, let me explain. So at this point in the video, we should be cutting over to a really cool shot that shows the burger getting smashed on the griddle, but the problem is this piece of crap camera decided that it wasn't going to film. And this piece of crap camera has never worked again. So I'm going to provide you a link to show another smash burger video that I've done if you don't know how to smash a burger. You can click on that and come back. If not, it's real simple. You just smash the burger. Alright, let's keep going. Supposed to smash it for about 10 seconds. Get this paper off. Apologize for this angle, guys. My other camera just went dead. Not really sure what's going on. We'll go ahead and hit this other side with a little bit of seasoning. Take it off when she's done. Alright guys, we'll put the nut topping on and give it a taste. Alright guys, sorry for the awkward shot. Got a video going here with the kettle. We just did this on the Blackstone. Just kind of running out of real estate. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our Miracle Whip and peanut topping, put it on there, get it spread out, then we'll take a taste. See you in a second. Alright guys, let's give it a taste. So I've had these before, but just to kind of explain it. Got a burger patty. It's awesome. Then when you add that Miracle Whip and nuts, the nuts add a little texture to it. Miracle Whip adds a little tang, some zing, however you want to call it. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Love to have you as a subscriber. And you know the bell, don't hit the bell. Alright guys, thanks, bye.